At kung ikaw ay nakatawa, ako pa ba ay nakikita? Nalilimutan ko ang itsura ko kapag kausap na.
Good day. So for now, we are going to talk about, or I am going to tutor you on how to use Microsoft Excel effectively. So let's start. To make it easier and faster, I prepared a list of names that we are going to get as our examples. We have 10 names, and there you go. Next, we are going to just invent scores of each student. Besides, this is just a tutorial. Example in their quiz number 1, 2, and 3. And we will get the average score of each student. But first and foremost, we should first make it appear presentable, so we are going to change the alignment of the first column. Right click, then drag the first column, then go to the format cells, and click the alignment, and you can see there the orientation that you can change the text alignment. For example, we will change it to 45 degrees. So there you have it. Then going back to the list of students, we will write the scores in quiz number 1 to 3, then we will find the total number of scores of all the students first in quiz number 1. We will use the formula equal sign, sum, then parentheses, and range. So there you have it. The total scores of each student from quiz number 1 is 182. You can do the same in quiz number 2 and quiz number 3, but there is an easy way. You just click the sum in quiz number 1, then it will form a black cross like this, then drag it until quiz number 3, and there you go. Next, to get the average of each student, just click the first 3 scores of each student, example in student number 1, and then use the formula equal sign, average, parentheses, then range. So there you have it. Sorry for that. Equal sign, average, then range. There you have it. You can do the same till the 10th student, but there is an easy way again. You just drag it down until the 10th student, and there you have it. The average score of each student from student 1 to student 10. Lastly, we will get the number of students who got perfect in quiz number 1, 2, and 3. And we will use the formula equal sign, count if, the parentheses, range, and then criteria. So there you have it. The number of students who got perfect in quiz number 1 is 2. You can do the same in quiz number 2 and quiz number 3. Just use again the formula equal sign, count if, parentheses, range, and then criteria. In quiz number 2, only 1 student got perfect. Lastly, in quiz number 3, use the formula again, equal sign, count if, parentheses, range, and then criteria. So there you have it. In quiz number 3, no one got perfect. To sum up, we have learned that to get the number of total scores, rather the total score of each of the student in quiz number 1, 2, and 3, we will use the formula equal sign, sum, parentheses, then range. Next, to get the average score of each student, we will use the formula equal sign, average, then range. Lastly, to get the total number of students who got perfect in each quizzes, we will use the formula equal sign, count if, parentheses, range, and then criteria. To get the total number of scores of each student from quiz number 1, we will use the formula equal sign, sum, parentheses, then range. So there you have it. That's all for today. This is Chinitos Entertainment. And in behalf of Chinitos Entertainment, this is Mark Dizon Maglias now signing off. Thank you and good day.
Chinitos.